Welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step. Today I'll teach you guys how to turn on your post views on TikTok. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. Before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So to turn on your post views on TikTok, first click on the profile option at the bottom right of your screen. Now once you're inside your TikTok profile, you want to click on the three line at the top right corner of your screen, also known as the hamburger menu. Once you click on it, you want to go on settings and privacy. And once you're inside settings and privacy, the second option where it says privacy, you want to click on it. Now once you're inside TikTok's privacy setting, scroll all the way down on the bottom until you see this third last option called post views. Click on post view and make sure it's on. Once you do that, you just turn on your post views on TikTok. And if you turn on your post view, then basically you are allowing people you follow to see that you viewed their post and see which followers viewed yours. Post view history will be available for 7 days from post date. So that is basically what turning on this post view thing will do. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.